Overfishing and biodiversity. Hello, my name is Nia Resanable, and today I will be talking about how overfishing is leading to a loss in our biodiversity. Before I get started, let's review some vocab as it plays a role in the issue of overfishing. Sustainability is adaptations and mitigations to ensure and promote the health of our environment's ecosystem for future generations. Biodiversity means to have a healthy and balanced ecosystem that allows the flourishing of many different types of species. Now that we reviewed some vocab, take a look at this snippet from a news broadcast.
Around the world, there's been a growing appetite for fish, but that demand is raising questions and concerns about sustainability and impact.
The issue I will be discussing is overfishing. Overfishing is the depletion of fish stock in any body of water by way too much fishing. So, who causes overfishing? Large fishing corporations are responsible through a process called ocean floor scraping, or more commonly known as bottom trawling. This process is when large fishing boats drop a net that sinks at the bottom of the ocean, which is then dragged for miles. Although at a glance it may seem convenient, not only are they capturing a lot of unintended bycatch, but they are also obliterating the coral reefs. For a better understanding, bottom trawling can look like this and this. But more seriously, unfortunately, it looks like this and this. I just wanted to show you this graph from Oceanos, a research blog. According to the research in 2019, 52% of fish stocks were fully exploited, while 7% was completely depleted. So as you can see, the oceans need our help to be the change. So what is my ideal solution? Aquafarming. Aquafarming is the cultivation of aquatic organisms including fish, crustaceans, and aquatic plants. We're actually already farming fish and seafood. For example, salmon, oysters, clams, shrimp, mussels, and limu. Killian Sherry, Danielle Brigolin, and Miriam D. Callier wrote a research paper on farm-scale models in fish aquaculture, an overview of methods and applications. In this article, they researched multiple methods of aquaculture, the pros and cons of each, and how effectively they all are for different purposes. They organized different types of systems from least extensive to most extensive, from open systems all the way to closed systems. A variety of ponds, cages, or nets in static or flowing water would be examples of open systems, while tanks and linear raceway systems are semi-closed, and recircular systems are completely closed. They're also connected, limiting variables like light, feed, temperature, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and ammonium levels. With that, they were able to perform multiple processes like feed, water flow filtration, feeding, and possible predation. What can you do to mitigate the overfishing problem? Well, simply don't eat seafood. That means no more poke. Just kidding. But what you can do is choose farmed fish, support local farmers markets and local harbors, and choose certified sustainable seafood. Now, what about the big fish corporations? What should be done? Well, short term, they should control the weight by how much each ship can bring back per trip, which ideally means overfishing. And long term, let's fully illegalize bottom trawling globally.